Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And now we can take a look at this option bar at the top. You can make sure that you're on the video mode if you've got the red color inside the shutter button. So now on the right, in the right upper corner, we've got our resolution. So tap on it. And in this device, we can choose from 3 different resolutions. So 1080, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, 720 and 4K. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 4K. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will simply use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.